Hey out there on YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that box on the table and that thumbnail you clicked on and the video description and all that wonderful stuff, we got something cool in the shop from Buck. And this one is a Wal Mart exclusive, which made me go Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, because after we roll that intro, you're going to hear why. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you really cool guys who have yet to subscribe to me, man, look right down there. Okay, look right down there. You should be seeing a channel watermark popping up depending on what platform you're on. Hover over that thing and just nail subscribe for me. Alright, as you saw by that intro, today, oh dear God, you know what, I'm not even going to bother saying it. We're just going to take a look at a Buck 110 Light Hunter. But the weird part is that right there is going to come into play in just a moment. That WM at the end means you can only buy it at Wal Mart. Oh yeah, and I found it in spot number 64. Okay, now with that being said, as usual, going through Wal Mart, taking a look in the wonderful, hunting section, and I saw this guy. It was sitting in an Ascend spot by Buck. And I was like, guys, that's not an Ascend. I should know, and took the Ascend I had out and showed it to him. I was like, I'd like to know what that knife is, how much it costs, because it looks kind of interesting. All right, anything by Buck, an American, legendary brand, already has me hooked. So after about 10 minutes of back and forth, and found the price, I went, sold American. Now, let's get into the stats on this guy. I should say, first off, fit and finish, it just looked amazing. All right. I really didn't like the fact, to be honest, no pocket clip, so it comes with a nylon case. I'd rather have things hanging in a pocket, but there's that little lanyard hole there, than hanging on the back of a belt. It's just me. I'm over belt carry. That's just me. All right. It's lightweight and fits, the curve here makes it fit just beautifully in your hand. I would have liked to have seen some jimping back here, but hey, you can't have everything on a price point, right? Now, it's got an overall length of about 8.5 inches. The blade is about 3 3/4. Enclosed, it's about 4 3/4. It's got a very, very small lightweight to it of 3.2 ounces. As you can see, it's got a fine edge. Clip point. Now, as usual, with Buck, it's 420 high carbon stainless steel. The way they heat treat stuff and the way they do some things, it holds up nice, holds up beautifully, and retains an edge like you wouldn't even believe. It's got a lockback system, which honestly I like. I think lockbacks are great for the safety factor. They hardly ever pop out of place unless there's some kind of problem in there. Now, the handle is just their usual nylon, plasticky handle. All right, there is no steel liner in there, so everything just rests basically within the handle. No biggie. Now, this is what I didn't get, all right? On Wal Mart's website, when you look it up, they say point blank, this blade is cryogenically treated for great edge retention. So when I'm thinking of cryo, I'm thinking of freezing, all right? Not heat treating, freezing. I don't know why that was out there, but I wanted to include it in this video and go, so if you heated this blade up and dumped it in a freezer, it's going to be brittle as crap. But anyway, it does have Buck's forever warranty, which I like. And as I mentioned earlier, it does come with a ballistic nylon sheath. Alright? So, let's do something that we all like to do. Let's cut some stuff here on the channel. Like we usually do, heavy-duty construction paper. Damn. I'll take that. That's just slow. Look at how it goes right through. Pretty much just the tip. Yeah, take just a tip. Wow, that's going to bite me in the butt later. Alright guys, paracord cut test. Here's the simple pull. Damn. Right through that bad boy. Slice. No biggie. You know what? Let's go for 4. No problem. And as if we don't know what's going to happen here, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, well, that's the one thing. I don't know if I was just holding it wrong or how it was going through, but, you know, went through it, no problem. Alright? And like I usually try, because this thing is seriously really brand new, I don't see any really huge paper shavings on the blade itself, you know, on the edge. Hardly anything there. Now, here's the part that got me, okay? Biscuit's price was $19.97 at Wal Mart. Now, when I go out there and I look, basically, for that, without the WM, on Amazon, I found something that has the exact same look, pretty much the exact same stats, for $21.99. So, I don't know what makes this just a Walmart exclusive. I really don't know. But, you know, it's not a bad blade. It's not. But I want to know what you guys think, man. Leave me your questions, your comments, your love, your hatred, everything down below like you usually do. You know I'm going to get back to you. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to check this video out. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube that you could select, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you guys who have been watching for a while and have yet to subscribe, man, here is your chance at redemption. Your second chance, because, man, we believe in second chances here on the channel. Right down there is going to be a big channel logo popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing, and that should bring you right to subscribe. After you've beat up that subscribe button, please click on that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's going to notify you every single time that I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My tabletop look at the Buck Knives 011 Bravo Kilo Sierra Lima Tango 1 Whiskey Mike. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.